Hey guys, Janak here from ecombuilderinsider.com. I've been using Cloudways for almost 2 years now, mostly for e-commerce and WooCommerce sites. So today, I'm not going to just read you the feature list from their website. I'm going to tell you what actually happened when I used it, the good parts and the bad parts, so you can decide if it's right for your store. Let's start with what Cloudways actually is. It's not a normal hosting company. They don't own servers. Instead, they take servers from big companies like DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, and Vultr, and they make them easy to use. So you get powerful cloud hosting, but with a simple dashboard, no scary technical setup. Now, why did I even move to Cloudways? Honestly, my old shared hosting was slow. My store was taking almost 5 to 6 seconds to load, especially during sale days when traffic was high. That's a big problem for e-commerce because slow loading means lost sales. So I tried Cloudways, and the speed difference was noticeable within the first week. Let's talk about the good things first, based on my real experience. Number 1, speed and uptime. My site loading time dropped to under 2 seconds after moving, and in 2 years I only saw downtime maybe 2 or 3 times, and it was very short, less than 10 minutes each time. For an online store, that reliability really matters. Number 2, the dashboard is actually simple. You don't need to be a developer. You can add a server, install WordPress or WooCommerce, add SSL certificate, set up staging environment, all from one clean dashboard. When I started, I was worried it would be too technical, but it wasn't. Number 3, pricing is flexible. You only pay for what you use. There's no long-term contract forcing you to stay. I started small, and as my store grew and got more traffic, I just upgraded my server size in a few clicks. No migration headache. Number 4, their support team. This is something I really want to mention. A few times I had issues with my server, maybe a plugin conflict or a slow query, and their live chat support helped me fix it directly. Sometimes they even accessed the server and solved it for me. That kind of hands-on help is rare with cheaper hosting. Number 5, built-in caching and CDN options. For WooCommerce stores, this really helps with product pages loading fast, especially with lots of images. Now let's talk about the not so good parts, because no hosting is perfect, and I want to be honest with you. Number 1, no free domain or free email hosting. If you're coming from cheap shared hosting where everything is bundled together, this might feel like an extra cost. You need to buy your domain separately and use a third-party email service. Number 2, pricing can add up. The base plan looks affordable, but once you add things like extra bandwidth, backups beyond the free limit, or a dedicated IP, your monthly bill grows. For a small store just starting out, this might feel a bit expensive compared to basic shared hosting. Number 3, it can feel technical for complete beginners. Yes, the dashboard is simple compared to raw cloud hosting, but if you've never touched server settings before, terms like PHP version, server size, or cache settings might confuse you at first. There is a small learning curve. Number 4, migration from other hosts isn't always smooth. I moved 2 sites to Cloudways, and one went perfectly using their free migration plugin. The other one had some issues with a custom plugin, and I had to fix a few things manually. So, is Cloudways worth it for e-commerce in 2026? Based on my 2 years of actual use, my honest answer is yes, especially if your store is growing and speed matters to you. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the performance, uptime, and support quality make it worth the price for a serious online store. If you're just testing an idea with very low budget, a basic shared hosting might be enough for now. But once you're serious about sales and customer experience, Cloudways is a solid choice. If you want to try it yourself, I've put my link and a comparison with other hosting options in the description below. I've also got more detailed hosting reviews on ecombuilderinsider.com if you want to compare before deciding. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more honest hosting and e-commerce reviews. See you in the next one.